thing about becoming friends with Mary is that you're kind of stuck with her forever. And luckily for me, I couldn't be more happy about that.
Dropped in like a UFO, shined up like glittering gold.
I can remember the day like it was yesterday. We were in La Fortuna at the Tikal Pyramids. I set up the GoPro and asked you to be my girlfriend. You responded in the most merry way ever. Are you serious?
Another level, I'm taking it higher.
The past 6 years with you have been some of the most exciting, meaningful, and rewarding years of my life. Our love wasn't instant, it was steady, and then all at once. And that's when I knew I had fallen in love with my best friend.
Nothing like this. No, nothing like this.
Mary, your love brought out the very best in Marcus. Together, you've built something beautiful, steady, and strong. Marcus and Mary, I'm beyond excited for this next chapter in your life. Your love is real, inspiring, and forever.
Nothing like this. You ain't seen nothing like this. No, nothing like this.